Hi, today's video is just a very quick unboxing and it's actually not even mine. My husband's birthday was toward the end of last month and unfortunately he was stuck on quarantine, so we couldn't go to dinner and we couldn't go out. So basically I just picked up dinner and we hung out at the house a lot, and he got one of his gifts. The other gift is in this box right here. So we went into Gucci, and he's a watch guy. He's the type of person that, you know how with us, I'll notice someone's bag, he'll notice their watch before, you know, anything else. So I gave it away. It's a Gucci watch, and he was more than, you know, okay with me unboxing it on my channel. He was like, oh, go ahead, go ahead. And my essay, I just snapped her a picture and she had it available. Oh my gosh, it's gorgeous. And this is it. It has the B inside. And my husband has a large wrist, so they are going to add 2 more links in it. But they said they'd call us and let us know when we can, you know, bring it back to add the links. The box, beautiful. And when we were in Gucci, my essay, she's so sweet. She gave him a birthday card, and it just says happy belated birthday in her name. She's so sweet. And then she brought this out for me and she goes, oh, I know your birthday is coming, so I have a little something for you. And I was like, oh, hooray for me, because my husband said, how am I paying for my birthday gift and she's getting a birthday gift? So there we go. I didn't peek yet. I'm just curious. This apple is hilarious to me. Oh, and it says Gucci in silver. That's nice. I like that. Oh, and a card. A very lovely card. Gucci has very good taste. Oh, how nice. On the back it says Gucci and it says, Dear Lisa, pre-happy birthday. Lovely. Isn't that cute? Very nice. And now there's this. Oh, it's in silver too. I hope the light catches it. And the ribbon is attached to the box. Oh, I see what it is from the bag, but I won't spoil it for you. So inside, it's gonna come off. Hang on. Oh. Inside is Gucci chocolates. How cute. So it's 3 Gucci chocolate bars. How cool is that? That's very sweet. Thank you, Lee. That is very sweet. You know, that's one thing about Gucci. I am so glad that I found her. She's definitely awesome. And you know, I had a couple of not so charming experiences in Gucci before, and I had kind of like let it go. But then when I found her, I was like, okay, she's definitely the one. She's genuinely nice. She's genuinely sweet. And it's not just buy it or don't. She basically gives you her honest opinion. You know, something she'll kind of go, and you know that means that doesn't look cute on you. And something she goes, oh, that's really your style, or that looks really good on you. So you can tell when she genuinely likes and, you know, thinks something's right for you. So there we go. I just wanted to bust out a third very quick video. I cannot believe I've done 3 videos in 3 days. So again, such a handsome watch. Can you see the B on it? I think it's beautiful. And there Alrighty. So, as usual, thank you for watching. Thank you for your time. I hope you like, subscribe, and share. You know the rest. I wish I could get that part together, but it'll happen. It'll happen. So, thanks again for your time. I hope you had an amazing 3 day, and be kind to someone for no reason at all. Aloha.